All right, thank you, Delaney. A recent report shows more working-class Americans are investing in the stock market. Here to tell us more is President and CEO of Wilsey Asset Management, Brent Wilsey. Brent, good morning.
Good morning. Good to be here.
You say this is very good news.
It's great news, very good news, but it may not be, because why we have about 54% of Americans that are earning between $30,000 and $80,000 a year now investing in the stock market. That could be a good thing. But I've been doing this now for over 40 years. I have tried being here, radio, newsletters, everything, to educate people on how the right way to invest. Well, unfortunately, a lot of these people are sucked into Wall Street, where Wall Street advertises about trading, options, and these people, they really don't have a clue, and they think because things are going very well right now, well, I'm making money now, it's pretty good, so I guess it's the right thing, and it worries me because they don't understand true investing.
What is the most common thing that people don't understand?
Probably that they think it's very easy. When markets are going up, oh yeah, I know what I'm doing, I understand this, I'm smart. You know, you're not, you know, and you get this false sense of confidence because of the fact that you've done well over the short term. And short term in investing, investing is for like 100 years. Yeah. So you can very easily do well for 2, 3 years and think, yes, I got this, I understand what I'm doing. And all of a sudden, a 2008 happens, a COVID happens, something comes out of left field that you weren't prepared for, and you have no clue what to do because you're just you were gambling, trading stocks.
Because what are you basing your trades on, I guess? They're not researching, more than likely.
No, and that's the thing. I mean, there's no research they do, like, oh, you know, I'm going to buy this AI company because AI is going to be the next best thing. And we've talked about how crazy it was, how much revenue it's going to take, and so forth. But they get a small bit of information, they act upon that, and then they think, yeah, it's going up, so I know what I'm doing. And I've told you before, we spend 10, 15, 20 hours of research before we even get into a company. We just finally bought a company we've been watching for 2 years because it finally became the right price. A lot of these people are investing, and I like to see the enthusiasm to be investing, but I just wish they would take time to learn the fundamentals, read about the company, and not just buy it, well, gee, it went up 20%, so I'm going to buy it because I think it's going to go up another 20%. That's gambling, and it's going to get people into trouble.
And I think one thing that most people overlook is the fact that investing is counterintuitive. I mean, the stock's going up, oh, it's going up, I got to buy. Wait a second. Who was it? Lord Rothschild said many years ago, you buy when there's blood in the street?
Oh, yeah. I mean,
you buy on bad news.
Yeah, I mean, because that's when things go on sale. When things are going along great, everybody wants to be in. There's actually a financial theory called the greater fool theory. When you buy a stock at a high price, you hope there's a greater fool out there than you that buys it at an even higher price, you know? So there's all these things I've learned on Wall Street for over 40 years. And it just worries me. And now there's just so many things that people have. It's so easy to trade. Remember years ago, to trade, you'd have to go turn on your computer, log in. It would take you at least, wow, 5 minutes to do a trade. Now, you can do it in a matter of seconds. It's on your phone. You can do it in 30 seconds. And the other thing that bothers me, too, is social media. There's some good things to it. But right now, there's so many people on social media that have no financial experience, but they talk about trading and how you can become a millionaire. And you can do so great by trading stocks and options and all these crazy things. They have no clue what they're talking about because their experience is very short. And a lot of these people, what worries me is that they're younger. They're maybe 25 to 30, 40 years old. They miss the big benefit of compounding money. Because once you lose it, you can't compound it. But if you earn an 8, 10% return, your money will double about once every, probably 8 to 10 years. You're going to do very well long term. But when you do these trading and you feel like, oh, I'm so smart, I understand this. That guy, Brent Wilsey, he doesn't know. I heard this at Tech Boom and Bust. You don't know, that's the old way of doing it. And here we are, those people lost all their money, and here we're up like 500% since 2000.
So to be positive, to end on a positive note, what should people do if they want to be proactive and do it right?
What they need to do is spend some time and realize, too, that maybe you just don't have time to do this. Because if you're going to do it, I say anybody can do what I do, but it's going to take you 5 to 10 hours a week. You've got to understand finance. You can't just guess at it, so it might take some education learning about finance. But to do it right, you want to invest in good quality businesses, and that's why I say stocks they're just a small piece of large companies. So invest in good quality businesses and say, gee, if I can earn 10%, that's more than double the safe return of the 4% treasury yield. And I'm going to buy this company and I'm going to hold it for 3, 4, 5, 10 years. not going to worry if it goes down 10, 20%, because I'm going to ride the earnings increase of that company as time goes on. So just really understand true investing and get away from all the hype of how exciting it can be and, oh, I can be the next, billionaire because I'm trading all this money here.
All right, Brent Wilsey, Wilsey Asset Management. Thanks. It's good
You're welcome.
stuff. Good
Thank
advice.
you. Thank you.